Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today I will show you how to create Microsoft account in 2025 step by step. Whether it's for Outlook, Xbox, OneDrive or Windows, you will need one. So let's learn the steps. First of all, visit official Microsoft sign up page. Here, I will add the link in the description. Next, you need to choose how to sign up. You can use existing email like Gmail or click get a new email address to create a free Outlook email. Here, enter the name you want to use and choose between Outlook and Hotmail to create email. No matter whatever method you choose, only difference between these two methods is if you use existing email, then secret 6-digit code will be sent to your email to confirm that you have access to the same. So once you get it, enter, and then next you need to select country, add your date of birth, enter your name. Make sure to use real name if you are planning to use this account for work, school or official use. Next, solve the CAPTCHA. This step confirms you are not a robot. Starting this month, Microsoft accounts are going passwordless, so you can sign in with your face, fingerprint or PIN. Click Next and then Setup process will automatically detect supported login options. In my case, my Mac support fingerprint logins, so it will use that. In case you are not comfortable with that, click on Skip for now and later you will be asked to enter the password. It's your choice with which method you want to go. At last, you will be taken to Microsoft account page. Here you will be asked to enter the phone number to link it with your account. Microsoft send a code to your email or phone. Just enter the code when prompted. Keep in mind whatever step I have shown you in the video, they will remain the same, but there is a possibility that they will be shuffled depending on what method you picked. And that's it. Your Microsoft account is now ready. With your new account, you can now access Outlook email, store files with OneDrive, sign in to Xbox or Microsoft Store, use Microsoft Word, Excel and Teams, and sign in to Windows 11. And that's how easy it to create a Microsoft account in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.